Alright, so here we have it. Airsoft GI 96-hour summer sale mystery box of fire. So, here's the knife. Sorry I don't have some crazy ridiculous knife. I know some people have things to make up for. Apparently I'm not trying to compensate for anything. Let's get started. So let's see here what this is going to be. I'm hoping for some sort of M4. I don't have one. I have an AK right now. I don't know exactly what I'm going to get. Obviously the packing slip said 10 pounds. The shipping weight, I should say, said 10 pounds. We all know that's not to be true or to be trusted. So let's find out what it is. Alright, so basically we have just a round box at this point. We've got some miscellaneous just crap. Oh, wow. That is fantastic. It looks like it's an ICS Sportline series, it looks like. But I will take an ICS. Let's see here. That I was not expecting. Oh, full metal. Feels full metal anyway. No, maybe it is plastic. It's got some weight to it. It's got to be must be plastic. Hard to say. Functional. This is a nice gun. Came with a mag. It's very nice. So, we'll be doing a review on this later. I don't even know if I have a battery that fits it at this point. But yeah, I couldn't have asked for more. An ICS. I was afraid I was going to end up with something a lot less quality than that. So that's it. Until next time.